Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Are you sitting there thinking that once you finally get that promotion, once you finally hit 6 figures, once you finish this certification, then you'll stop doubting yourself? If so, I want to offer something that might surprise you. That self-doubt that you're feeling, it doesn't go away. Not at the next level, and not after the next milestone. In fact, the more successful you become, the sneakier self-doubt gets. It often sounds like, who am I to be doing this? What if I mess this up? Or, I should have figured this out by now. Does this sound familiar to you? If so, I want you to know you're not alone. I've seen this pattern in almost every high-performing client that I've worked with, especially accountants, CPAs, and high-stress professionals who are constantly balancing perfection, performance, and pressure. Self-doubt doesn't mean you're off track. It's a signal that you are growing. One of my clients, who's been in accounting for over 15 years, has a loyal client base and has just started their own firm. But instead of feeling confident and excited, they were overwhelmed with doubt. They couldn't help but think that maybe they should have waited a little longer because they didn't think that they were cut out to lead a team. They were worried that they would ruin what they had built. From the outside, they really looked successful, but inside, they were bracing for failure. And here's what they told me. I didn't expect to feel more insecure as I became more successful. This is where the reinvention process made all of the difference for them. We examined their thoughts and what they believed their success meant, and we worked on redefining their identity, not as someone waiting to feel confident, but as someone who is already becoming the version of themselves who could lead, inspire, and trust their decisions. We often think that self-doubt feels so real, but let's dig a little bit deeper. Self-doubt is really just a feeling. That feeling is created by what you're thinking. It might be something like, I'm not ready, and then the actions that you take when you're feeling doubtful are normally to procrastinate, play small, and over-prepare. This can lead to results such as staying stuck or reinforcing the idea that you're not ready. This cycle goes around and around. So when clients say, I don't know why I keep holding back, the answer is always found in the way that they're thinking and not in their ability. When you think something like, there's no way that I can do this, your brain offers you all of the evidence to back it up. That's its job. It's trying to protect you. This is the motivational triad at work: to seek pleasure, avoid pain, and conserve energy. And self-doubt, it's the perfect excuse to avoid the discomfort of growth. But here's the thing. Everything you want is on the other side of that discomfort. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.